Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I want to tell you how you can improve your thumbnails. And I'm gonna tell you 5 secrets that have helped me a lot to improve my CTR, which means click-through rate, and it's an statistic that YouTube gives you to tell you or let you know how your thumbnails are doing. So let's get started. So through my YouTube journey, I have learned a lot of things and tips and tricks that you can do to improve anything actually in your videos. And if you have any suggestions or ideas on how I can still improve my content, please just let me know in the comments down below. I'm all about getting better and improve my channel. At this moment of my YouTube journey, I can say that I have been able to improve my thumbnails a lot. So here are the 5 tips that I have for you so you can improve your thumbnails and your click-through rate. The first one, make sure that you include either your face or someone's face on your thumbnail, because it's proven that unconsciously every time that we scroll through the thumbnails, we click on the ones that have a face. Why? Because the people have a connection with that face, that eyes, and they don't think that it's like a robot or a machine, and they are more related to the face. The second one, if you are going to include text, please make sure that your font is very clear and it's bold. If you use cursive or letters that are not very legible, it will be difficult for people to click on your video because it's not readable. And remember that most people watch the YouTube videos on their mobile phones, so the letters and the text, it's very small. I'm gonna show it to you how you can see all the videos here on YouTube. If you scroll through the videos, you can see here how it stands out, the letters in green, fluorescent color. Here Annie Dubé also has big letters and very legible. Here, I want great faith. The letters are big and very readable. They have also a background that it has a contrast in colors with the letters. So in this case, white and the background is blue, okay? And what else? Let me show you this one, yellow and white. It's just very readable, as you can see, and this one has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. In my opinion, the third tip is that don't include more than 5 words. As you can see, these ones, 4 words, 3 words, 5 words. Don't include more than 5, so it grabs your attention. Choose your words wisely so you can grab the attention of your audience, okay? The fourth tip, try not to make big spaces between your elements. What do I mean? So for example, here, I'm gonna show you some of my thumbnails. Right here, I can show you my videos. Okay, so for example, okay, as you can see in the first thumbnail, Facebook and Instagram, there are no big gaps between my picture and the elements of Facebook and Instagram. The letters are big, are bold, they have kind of a contrast of colors with the background. I try not to make it very crowded as well. Also, for example, here the best ring lights, this one, it has a contrast with the background of the letters. I added a block, like a big rectangle of a different color, and that makes it like stand out. Don't use a lot of elements. If you are using like pictures or like elements like money and emoticons or so on, you can just choose 1 or 2, but try not to add a lot of words if you are adding more elements, okay? So I will suggest to add some words and maybe one element and your face. And the last but not least, try to be very careful with the timestamps. I'm gonna show you some of the thumbnails that I mean by this one. So for example, this one, the letters are not very legible when you are scrolling through those. This one, Happy Valentine's Day, my love, it's not very legible for me. Then this one, Desk Declutter. It's good because it's showing the before and after. That is a good thumbnail, I think. I will add more lighting to the background photos, but it's a good thumbnail because it has bold letters, legible letters, and also it has a background that contrasts with the letters, and it has only 2 words, but it doesn't have a face. Okay, so that's missing out of that one. Then here it says San Valentine's. It looks very attractive for me, but I cannot read very well these type of letters. So try to make them clear. This one, the letters are a bit small and she has a lot of pictures on her thumbnail, so I wouldn't suggest you to do that either. Maybe 2 or 3, but not that much. This one, the letters at the end, cook, clean, and plan, they are not in contrast with the background, so you cannot read those. This one, I love this channel. As you can see, she has a right thumbnail, snow hiking to castle ruins, and she has the castle ruins, and she has her daughter because they went on the snow, and she has also a very legible words and also with a contrast. Okay, now let's go to Gary B thumbnails. As you can see, yellow with a background contrast of black. Now let me tell you about this thumbnail timestamp. If you scroll down, you have a timestamp right here. It's at the bottom right, and it's a small. Try to put your text or words over the timestamp space, okay? If you also go through YouTube Studio and you go to the content tab, as you can see, the timestamp here, it's bigger and it also has a space. So if you put your text very low and on the right, then you won't be able to see it in full because of the timestamp. So those are my 5 tips to make your thumbnails stand out and make them better, improve your click-through rate. I think that if you follow those 5 tips, you will be doing great with your thumbnails, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope that you can improve your thumbnails. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.